Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about Python programming. Let's meet our Python founder, Guido van Rossum. He is a Dutch programmer. He named Python after a popular TV show, Monty Python's Flying Circus. So let's see about the applications of Python. The notable domains are web development, DevOps, data science, networking and automation. So let's see about the features of Python. Python is very simple and easy to learn. So anyone new to programming can start with Python. It has a clear syntax resembling the English language. So Python is open source. It is freely available to the public. Anyone can view and modify it. So Python is an interpreted language. It follows line by line execution and the result can be seen immediately. In general, we have compiled language and interpreted language. Compiled languages are C, C++ and Java. Interpreted languages are Python and JavaScript. So let's think of compiled language in terms of baking a cake. We have all our ingredients, which is our source code. This is mixed to create the cake batter, which is pre-processing stage. Now this cake batter is baked in the oven, which is our compilation process. Now we will get layers of cake. These layers of cake has to be assembled and decorated, which is assembly and linking process, and finally we have our cake ready, which is our executable code. So in programming also we have our source code and it is given to the pre-processing where we will include all the header file, we will remove all the comments and the compiler will come to know about the location of each source line, and then it is given to the compiler. Now we will have our mission code ready. Then it is converted into .obj file in the assembly process. Finally, we have our executable code at the end of linking stage. Then let's think of interpretation in terms of cooking a meal. We have all our ingredients and our interpreter is our chef. He will read recipe line by line and he will cook accordingly. If anything is missed out or the taste is wrong in between, it can be modified in between. So in programming also, the interpreter takes one by one line in the source code. Each line is executed and the output is produced. In between, if a line is errored out, the execution is stopped at that particular stage itself. So the advantages of interpreted languages, it doesn't require any pre-compilation and it is a dynamically execution. But the disadvantages are it is very slow and it consumes more resources. So that's all for this today's video. Please do share and like if you find it useful. Thank you.